Today we will look at factors. Factors are numbers that are multiplied together to give you a product. 2 times 3 are the factors of 6, which is the product. There are a couple of ways we can check to make sure we find all of the factors for a specific product. For example, if we look at 14, we can use a rainbow to make sure we find all of the pairs by matching the numbers that equal our product. 1 times 14 and 2 times 7. Now let's look at 24. 1 and 24 are a pair that make 24. Since 24 is even, we know 2 times 12 is 24. 2 plus 4 is 6, so since 6 is a factor of 3, 3 times 8. And since 2 and 3 are factors, that tells us that 6 is a factor, which gives us 6 times 4. Another way to make sure you have all of your pairs is to use the T-chart. Here's an example for 24. Notice the product is on top, and the factor pairs are listed side by side down the T. Let's try one for 18. We'll start with the smallest. We always start with 1 and 18. It's even, so 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. You can also simply list out your factors. The only trick with this is to make sure you don't miss any of your pairs.